know it's true. It's all because of you. And if I make it through, it's all because of you. And now and then, if we must start again, well, we will know for sure that I love you. Now and then I miss you. Oh, now and then want you to be there for me, always to return for me. I know it's true. It's all because of you. And if you go away, I know I'll never stay. Now and then I miss you. Oh, now and then want you to be there for me. It's all because of you. And if I make it through, it's all because of you. Well, how did their pluckers? I saw things again with you with hopefully what will be hopefully an interesting lesson for you. This is obviously the latest song from the Beatles that came out a few days ago, called Now and Then, the final Beatles song. Okay, so this is my arrangement for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, please excuse the singing, it's just for reference only, it's not meant to be a cover version. But there we have it, the whole song. And I'm in standard tuning, no cappers, doing it in the same key as the Beatles recording. Okay, so join me in a day or so and hopefully I'll show you how I played it.